In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 3 UK SIM activation process. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to teach you how to properly activate a SIM issued from 3. So you will be able to activate any sort of SIM card that you have acquired from them, either a standard physical SIM card or even an eSIM. So this will work for iOS and Android devices. All that you have to do to activate your SIM is to physically insert it into your phone. So usually this will be done by using a little tool to remove the SIM tray. Once you have taken the SIM tray out of your device, all that you have to do is insert your 3 SIM card inside and then place the SIM tray inside of your phone again. This is going to work for any model. Just find the SIM tray, take it out, and then insert your 3 SIM card. By doing this, you are basically good to go. The next time that you power on the device, you might get a pop-up similar to this, and if you do get one, just tap on the locked option and insert your PIN. But usually, you will not be having to do this. As long as you inserted the 3 SIM card into your mobile device and you power it on, you just have to wait for them to activate for you. They will send you a text letting you know that the activation process has begun. Usually at most it will take 30 minutes during really busy periods, but it can be shorter or longer depending on the congestion. So keep your phone on while they get you connected. Once they are close to finishing, a follow-up text message is going to be sent telling you to turn off and on again. So just power off your device, power it on again, and as soon as this is done, the 3 SIM card will be set up again. So with this done, the SIM will be activated, and now you can use it to dial any numbers, you can use it for mobile data, roaming data, and so on. Everything will be available from your 3 SIM card. Alternatively, if you have an eSIM, then you just have to go over to the settings on your device, find the cellular or mobile service options, and inside you can find Add eSIM. Just choose the option from here and you will be guided through the process, usually by scanning a QR code. Once you scan this QR code, cellular will be set up and you can use your eSIM from 3. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate your 3 UK SIM. If this video helped you with the 3 UK SIM activation process, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.